Hey there, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Afrobeat drum patterns even much more interesting than it already is. I'm so classy, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So let's create a quick and simple drum pattern, right? Um, Quick and simple one. So this is where it starts to get interesting. I'm going to show you 4 things right now that you can do to make this simple drum bounce, even much more interesting than it already is, okay? So one of the first things you can do is you layer, that's use percussion layers to make it sound even more interesting. So I have some percussions lined up here. You can see I have some lined up here. So I'm just going to just do some quick layering and see how this sounds. Then let's see. All right, that sounds good. And then next, I'm going to try, I may not use all the percussion layer, right? Maybe just some. Let's see. All right. Not bad. Then I have another one right here. Okay, let's have it here. And now you can see how interesting our drum track already sounds, right? All right, so the second thing you can do is playing with effects, right? So I have a hi-hat. This could be a hi-hat, it could be a rim, it could be a shaker sound. So we just fill it up here with 2 steps and see how it sounds. All right, so that may sound good, right? So let's link it up to the mixer. All right, so we're going to add a delay plugin, that is delay, to make it have a different bounce. It's going to be like 1/3 of the time, right? Instead of the casual quarter note or half note, right? Let's say it sounds in 1/3 of the time. Now, so we have to kill that tail, that delay tail that follows it. So to do that, we just simply adjust the chords and turn down the volume, and then turn down the volume here as well. Then we listen. Sounds so much better. And now the third thing you can do to make your drums even more interesting, right, is by playing with this swing tool right here in FL Studio. Just the amount of swing you add changes the groove a little bit. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see without swing. With the swing. So let me turn down the loudness of the hi-hat a little. Nice. And the final thing you can do to make your drums even more interesting, though I like my drums to be simple most of the time, is by having a loop, a percussion loop, right? Or a drum loop to just add some flavor to your drum sounds. This is from the SARS pack. So this is my drum pattern now, right? So I'm going to drag the drum loop layer right here and then have it here. Then let's see how it sounds. And you can also adjust the pitch of the loop if you like. So these are the common ways, which are really easy, that you can make your drum sound even much more interesting in FL Studio when making Afro beats. I hope this helps. Cheers. So if you've been struggling with getting pro mixes, making better beats, recording vocals, I do offer one-on-one training. Yes, one-on-one training. And all you have to do is click the link in the description below that says one-on-one training. You fill a very simple form so I can help understand you better and what you need and how I can help you get there. So when you fill this form, I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible and we can get started on your journey to making much better music in no time. Trust me, it doesn't have to be a house. So making music doesn't have to be a house. You don't have to spend many endless hours on YouTube looking for tutorials. With just a very short time, within about 4 to 6 weeks, roughly within that range, I can get you to your goals in no time. Yes, with money back guaranteed. So don't forget to click the link in the description after you're done with this video to fill up a form, and I'm going to get back to you pronto.